This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Photos as a desktop app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right up this way, you can see I have an app called Google Photos. If I double click on this and open it, it opens up Google Photos as an app. You still have all the same functions. The way to install this, I'm going to close this out and I'm going to uninstall this. I'm going to go to my installed apps. Right in here, Google Photos. You can see it's installed as an app. I'm going to uninstall it. And then I will show you how to install it. You can use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to install it. I'm going to show you how to do it on both. First, I'm going to start off with the Chrome browser. To install Google Photos as an app using the Chrome web browser, first thing you want to do is go to Google Photos, make sure that you are signed in. Then, at the top up here in the address bar, you should see looks like a monitor with a down arrow. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Install Google Photos. If you click on that, a little dialog box will open asking you if you want to install it. I'm going to click on Cancel because there's another way to do it on Chrome. Go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot menu. Click on the three-dot menu. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and straight down to where it says Install Google Photos. I'm going to click on Install Google Photos. Little dialog box will appear asking you, do you want to install this? I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to open up the Edge web browser. You want to go to Google Photos, make sure that you are signed in. Then at the top up here in the address bar, you'll see a bunch of little boxes up here. If you put your cursor over it, it says App Available, Install Google Photos. You can click on it here, or you can go off to the left-hand side to the three-dot menu. Click on the three-dot menu. Go down to where it says More Tools. Put your cursor over More Tools. Then straight off to the left and straight up to where it says Apps. Then you'll go straight off to the right. It says Install Google Photos. I'm going to click on Install Google Photos. Little dialog box will appear asking me, do I want to install this? I'm going to click on Install. It just takes it a few seconds and it automatically opens. Now there's another little dialog box asking me, where do I want to pin this app? Do I want to pin it to the taskbar? Do I want to pin it to the start? Do I want to create a desktop shortcut? Do I want it to auto start on device login? You just have to use your own judgment here. I'm going to go with Create Desktop Shortcut. I'm going to click on Allow. And there we have it. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to close my browser. And right here, I have an app called Google Photos. I'm going to double click on it to open it. And there is Google Photos. That is how to install it as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.